So collecting Majolica for the purpose of resale or thinking about selling a collection of Majolica depends entirely on the condition, the company that made them, the pattern, and the amount of your collection. The more you have of one pattern, obviously the more you're going to get for your collection. So if you have a large collection of seaweed pattern or a large collection of compotes, you're gonna see a retail value in that. My suggestion is to try to keep the condition of your pieces as clean and free of chips and lines or discolorations, and so that will bring you the premium on your retail value. So in considering when you're buying, to try to buy the best piece you can buy, because ultimately that always affects your retail value. So keep that in consideration when you're picking and choosing to buy individual pieces. Condition makes a huge difference no matter what pattern or person who made, the company that made it. Condition is the bottom line.